Hey guys, Jesse and Eric here with Foundation Training. So we're going to talk to you a little bit today about the shoulders and a common pattern we see of being kind of stuck in this internally rotated position. So Eric's going to go into a standing decompression. He's going to bring his hands out and he's going to overemphasize it for a minute. So he's in this elbows wide. We see this often where the elbows are kind of facing out to the sidewalls. And what we're looking for is a subtle degree of external rotation. So watch for the fix. Eric, float your arms out to long wing position for me. He's lengthening up through the neck, but from the shoulder, he's going to subtly externally rotate the arms. He's going to think from under the arms, the lats. He can even think about squeezing onto a sheet of paper. But he's going to use that tension to scoop up, bring the fingertips together. I may even say, make sure we keep these elbows slightly down and towards each other. Ultimately, we're making the change at the shoulder. So apply this to your next practice. Remember, we want that subtle degree of external rotation. We want to open ourselves up to break that common pattern of being stuck here in this internally rotated position. Anything you want to add, Eric?
The shoulders ride the rib cage. They don't pull you into position. There's a platform underneath them that you have to keep broad and expansive and powerful, and that's when the shoulders find a healthy position. So many patients I've worked with over the years come to me with things like adhesive capsulitis, frozen shoulder, carpal tunnel, and they're like, I've got adhesive capsulitis, I've got carpal tunnel syndrome. And I'm like, okay, let's start here, even though the symptom is here. And let's take the time to really learn about breathing, learn about structure, learn about the lats, and there goes the symptoms. Try hard, learn a lot.
Bring it into your practice. You can learn it all at stream.foundationtraining.com. Use the app.